think this is some new grind time tanks, and I am correct.
Just the green ones?
Oh boy! What?
What's all this?
Ooh, stuff from SS.
Is it?
Already.
All
From
of it?
Kansas.
All of it?
Nope, just Kansas. I think this is some new grind time tanks, and I am correct.
Just the green ones?
Oh boy! Check out these Burnside Sublime Green tank tops. Look out for them on the website soon.
I can't believe they got this out. It's so sick.
Yeah, dude. And they look dope.
Look, yeah, they do. That color. That's
So, well, you know what didn't get here? Doesn't look like the hats. So,
Were those from
something's still in the
Kansas
way. Yep, I'm pretty sure. Great idea.
Mhm.
And they look awesome. So, I'm stoked
Yeah.
about those. We got a good amount of those.
They feel good too, boy.
Yeah, they're nice, dude. That's what I'm saying. They got the Burnside tags on them and everything. I mean, dude, those are at like Kohl's and shit. They sell this stuff. You know what I'm saying?
Sick.
That's Burnside's like a pretty well-known surfer, skateboard kind of company.
What if we did like a Salt Life bonefish type design for them?
That'd be sick. Whatever. I'm down for whatever.
Yeah.
I figured for definitely focus on something like kind of like beachy, something that's not like just a typical surf logo. Like I want some edge behind it. You know what I'm saying? Like something that you would think would be on a tank top when you walked into Aqua East, but it's a grind time. And it has that edge that our stuff has to it. I would think something very small, chest-ish, because the focus of
So
this.
you want to do front and back on this?
We don't have
just
to.
full
We don't
front or
have
something,
to.
or-
I don't want to do a full front because stuff like this are going like the big front is out. It's like the smaller image, and then if you have anything big, it's going to be on the back, and especially on this because it's like this sick color scheme. Like the more you can have on the front that just like stands out as like that's a sick ass tank top.
Yeah.
I think the better, and then people realize like, oh, what does that say? Grind time, Salt Life, Bone Fit, like something.
That's what I'm saying. If you took like a bonefish and put our name in the ribs of the bone, you know what I mean?
Like that
it's
skater
bone.
beach guys would wear it, surfer guys would wear it, but also like beach dads would wear it.
Yeah, for sure.
But our name is
Like
in the bones.
you're like a skeleton of the fish.
Oh,
Yeah.
but the
And
bones just
name's
spoke
the
grind
rib
time.
cage.
Like the rib
Yeah,
cage
that
just
would be
spoke grind
cool.
time. That'd be dope.
Cool.
Right here on the left chest.
Yeah, it's just
Call it a day.
we live in Florida. They're
Yeah.
tank tops because it's hot, and that's what we do. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's so.
Yeah, he's wearing one right
He's
now.
wearing one right now. I'm wearing my fishing shirt today. That's another Florida thing.
I'm wearing a
So,
sweater.
Yeah.
you are. So
These are dope.
We should cut from here to me drawing the bonefish thing.
that we're gonna cut to Cody making this logo right now. We are getting ready to print these new grind time. You see, we got the tank tops a while ago. All right, some sick ass Burnside tank tops. Then we made a killer design for them. And man, meet Fishbone.
Is that what his name is? Fishbone?
Fishbone. Meet Fishbone.
He could be Jeffrey. He could be Maurice. Seymour.
Seymour. That's a good one.
All right.
Seymour's a good one.
We have updated him to Seymour.
Officially Seymour.
Time to put
Feed me, Seymour!
Or-
Name that movie.
Is that the plant movie?
Yeah.
Little Shop of Horrors?
There you go.
That's it.
And we're gonna slap this on those tank tops right now.
Alan,
Cody,
supposed to do something.
what would you like for me to do?
I don't know.
It's your show.
You want me to do a trick?
This is the Alan show.
No, this is not the Alan show.
Yeah.
It's your world, bud. We're just living in it.
This is Alan Presents Grind Time Daily Grind. This is your show.
He's Alan. He's Alan.
Oh, you write me a theme
it's
song
his
now?
show for the day. It's Alan. He's gonna grind your time away. Ba-da-da.